Hi students, and welcome to week 3 in your online general psychology class. You have been doing such a great job. Hopefully you are feeling more confident about navigating the course and using Connect and figuring out how to work your way through the different module for the week. So as always, if you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out to me. This week we will move on to chapter 2, which is on the scientific part of psychology. So our research and all the elements of the different variables and research methods and ethics and so forth. So we made a case in chapter 1 that psychology is a science. This chapter will further explain why psychology is a science and how we scientifically study in the field of psychology. I want to make sure that you realize we are spending 2 weeks in chapter 2, so you will not have a quiz that is due this week. Your quiz for chapter 2 will be due next week. So this week, no quiz, but you do have some assignments. So remember, a reminder, navigating by clicking on modules and then scrolling down to the current module. Here we are, week 3, September 5th through 11th. Technically Monday's Labor Day. You don't have anything due, but it'll open up if you want to make it available to you on Monday. But if you're taking face-to-face classes on campus, the campus is closed on Monday for Labor Day. So this module contains the video you're watching right now is right here. The objectives for the week. You have your chapter 2 PowerPoint, the slides, and the one with narration. And then you will have 3 Connect assignments. 1 concept clip on independent and dependent variables, 1 Connect assignment on designing an experiment, also named dependent and independent variables. So 1 concept clip, 1 designing an experiment, 2 separate assignments, and then a concept clip on the scientific method. So those are your 3 assignments for this week. Again, no quiz because we will continue on with chapter 2 next week. Your quiz will be due then. So have a great week. It's kind of a short week with Monday being Labor Day. I hope you're getting some rest. And it truly is a day off for you. And have a wonderful week. I will be back next week to explain what we're doing in week 4. Take care, everybody.